David Sherwood here with NiTOR. Today we're going to talk about some of the limiting factors and why we've included them in balancing our protein supplement. It's not just about getting protein, it's about also providing these other limiting factors, such as B vitamins. So what we've drawn here is actually a representative model of the mitochondria, which is the power plant of the cell. This is where you burn all of your carbohydrates and fats, and you turn them into ATP, which is energy for the cell. And these reactions require your B vitamins. They're called decarboxylation reactions. And B vitamins are also used in the same type of reactions for building DNA nucleotides and other building blocks for the cells. So if you are limited in the amount of B vitamins you have, you'll notice a limitation in how much energy you have and how fast you recover. And you also have and it hits you at the gym when you're trying to work out and you just don't feel like you've got the gumption to do it. This could be a really limiting factor. The next thing I really want to talk about is CoQ10. This is really a great topic that I like. In the mitochondria, if you take this membrane and you separate it out, you actually have what's called the electron transport chain. And these proteins here are aimed at pumping protons outside the membrane. So you get a higher hydrogen ion gradient on the outside than you do on the inside. That is used like a waterfall is used to turn a turbine to create ATP and energy. So it's really an important process. But one key factor that I want to point out is this is where CoQ10 is. It is used to carry electrons through this electron transport chain. It's like these are fixed in the membrane. CoQ10 moves through the fluid membrane, transporting electrons from one protein to the next protein to help pull those protons through. And if you're limited in CoQ10, you'll leak electrons off of this chain and they will react with oxygen that you breathe in, and that oxygen becomes superoxide radical, and it's very, very toxic. So your body has enzymes that convert that into hydrogen peroxide, which is a stress signaling molecule, and that hydrogen peroxide actually reacts with TOR to shut down TOR, and so that it changes how the cell runs. Instead of running highly efficient, energetic, and growing, the stress signal will shut it down and it'll go through autophagy and start consuming things and limit energy production, and it limits the capability of that cell to do stuff. So CoQ10 is vital to get in small doses on a regular basis. It's hydrophobic, so it's hard to absorb, but if you put it in your protein and have it frequently throughout the day, you can quadruple your blood levels of CoQ10. You get higher levels of CoQ10 here, and you notice a major increase in overall energy that you feel.